Hello friends, it's Phil and it's Friday. Have you got that Friday feeling? Well, my friends, I have a question for you in today's very short podcast, and it is going to be a very short podcast. The question is, my friends, what wonderments have you got planned for the weekend? What are you going to do? Who are you going to see? What are you going to adventure into? What are you going to try that you've never tried before? What have you going to done that you wish you would have done before? Are you going to buy something? Are you going to sell something? Are you going to grow something? Are you going to be begin to grow something? What, my friends? What wonderments have you got planned? But look, that's it. That's today's podcast. Just a question. It's Friday, my friends. Hello, friends. What wonderments have you got planned? Leave me a comment wherever you find this podcast and tell me what wonderments you got planned. Anyway, that's all. I'm going to go. Got things to do. Take care. Ta-da. Bye. See ya.